SLC update quickly on the EURUSD. We had to get that liquidity. It was actually 118.39. It shouldn't have actually triggered it really because it is a sentimental buy. But technically, it's we got a neckline here on the monthly pivot, which is interesting because there's your left shoulder and there's your right shoulder and then it's your head. And don't forget what I was saying about the ECB as well. They didn't really want too strong a euro. So it's interesting that the monthly pivot is the neckline. So we had the strong rejection there and we just took that liquidity. So I think what might happen is that this will get larger, this 3.18 size, and they might wait till it gets to 4% and then it'll be ripe for picking. So that might happen today. If so, it would have taken that liquidity and stops, and then it would have taken that, and then we could potentially just close around monthly pivot, and then it just repeat again Monday. It'll just shake the weak hands, and then shake the weak hands, and then it'll just carry on taking that liquidity and taking your money. So keep an eye on those stops, and yeah, it's quite cruel. See how that wick just wick below SLC. Yeah, 2 pips. So yeah, technically it's a sell, but sentimentally it's a buy. So just be careful. Perhaps even just take the day off. To be honest, we're very sideways. You want the two to agree. Technically, we are selling off a little bit on the low time frames. So yeah, it might just be one to watch. To be honest, it's a difficult one to trade because they're going to jawbone this, the ECB, if it gets too strong. So it might be payday for the herd. So one to watch. So they might wait for that to get larger, get that, then come back down again. Have to see.